When it comes to the durability and efficiency of your home in Jacksonville Beach, one factor often overlooked is the importance of proper window installation. Whether you are renovating an older home or building a new one, windows are a significant investment that directly affect the comfort, aesthetics, and longevity of your property. The salty air, frequent storms, and humidity in Jacksonville Beach can all take a toll on your windows, which is why professional installation is crucial for ensuring their longevity. The unique challenges of Jacksonville Beach's climate. Jacksonville Beach, with its proximity to the Atlantic Ocean, has a unique climate that presents several challenges for homeowners. Saltwater, high humidity, and coastal winds can accelerate wear and tear on windows if they are not installed correctly. Windows are exposed to the elements 24/7, and improper installation can result in gaps, leaks, and structural damage, all of which contribute to reduced energy efficiency, increased maintenance costs, and, ultimately, a shorter lifespan for your windows. Salt from the ocean can corrode metal window frames, causing rust, which weakens the frame and compromises the window's seal. Wind-driven rain can seep into improperly sealed windows, causing water damage to the surrounding walls, mold growth, and wood rot. Additionally, the intense sun exposure common to coastal areas can cause fading, cracking, and warping of certain materials if the installation doesn't account for these environmental factors. The role of professional window installation. Choosing a professional window installation company in Jacksonville Beach ensures that your windows are installed with the necessary attention to detail, taking into account the unique conditions of your coastal environment. Professionals have the expertise to use the right materials, tools, and techniques to ensure the job is done right the first time. Proper sealing. One of the most critical aspects of window installation is ensuring the window is properly sealed. A professional installer understands how to apply high-quality caulk and weather stripping to prevent drafts and water infiltration. In a coastal environment like Jacksonville Beach, this is especially important. Proper sealing not only keeps the elements out but also prevents energy loss, saving you money on heating and cooling bills in the long run. Use of durable materials. Another benefit of working with professionals is their access to high-quality materials designed for the coastal climate. Some window frames, such as vinyl, fiberglass, and impact-resistant glass, are better suited to withstand the harsh saltwater air and high winds. When professionals are involved in the installation, they can recommend the best materials to ensure your windows hold up against the elements. Enhanced protection against storm. Jacksonville Beach is known for its tropical storms and hurricane season. When windows are installed correctly, they can offer added protection against flying debris and intense winds. Properly installed impact-resistant windows are crucial for safeguarding your home during severe weather. Professionals will also ensure the windows are secure, which can prevent broken seals and window displacement during extreme storms. Avoiding future repairs. Poorly installed windows are more likely to need costly repairs down the line. A slight misalignment or improper sealing can result in issues like condensation between the panes, difficulty opening or closing windows, and gaps that let in air and water. These problems can be avoided by ensuring that your windows are installed correctly, saving you time and money on future repairs or replacements. The importance of a long-lasting investment. While it might be tempting to go for a quick, inexpensive installation, it's essential to think about the long-term benefits of doing it right. Proper window installation is not only about aesthetics or improving curb appeal. It's about creating a lasting, efficient, and protected home. Windows play a crucial role in insulating your home and protecting it from the elements. When you invest in professional installation, you're ensuring that your windows continue to perform efficiently for years, making it a cost-effective decision in the long run. Conclusion. In Jacksonville Beach, where the combination of salt air, humidity, and coastal storms can cause wear and tear on your home, proper window installation is crucial for maintaining the longevity of your windows in your home. Professional window installation helps protect your property from the elements, prevents costly repairs, improves energy efficiency, and ensures your windows last as long as possible. Whether you are building a new home or replacing old windows, don't overlook the importance of a proper installation. Your investment will pay off in the long run with lasting comfort and peace of mind.